block, I bet the ops ain't doing shit. If you ain't put in for this, but I'm sorry, brother, you can't hit.
Turn 1 to 2 to 3, I know how to flip. Popping out in Louis V, I know how to drip. See the lights and flee the scene, I know how to dip. Park the whip and wipe it clean, I know how to build. And 10 years later, I'm still gunning, know who running shit. No limit to squad, fuck niggas get hit with 100 clip. Rolling on my arm, I drop 300 on my charm. Pulling up in double R's, ain't ducking nothing but the government. Rose from the mud and ran it up, it wasn't easy. Real gangsta, I say I'm a killer, nigga, then believe. Bullets coming 3D, put a hollow in the GD. How the fuck I was just bipping, ended up on TV, yeah.
Hop in this rider, we gon' teach you how to bip. Blackin' in this Civic, get no fucks about a 10. See us on a block, I bet the ops ain't doing shit. If you ain't put in for this, but I'm sorry, brother, you can't hit.
Nigga, I'll be quick to hop out Blake. Man, that shit easy, take a seat and let me teach you how to build. First off, go get a gun like a drizzy or a switch. Go get a hot hand, some gloves and spin until you catch a vic. When you spot him, swing your door and chase the nigga till he trip. Put that bitch up to his face and make that nigga eat the clip. Get to the crib and check the net, I bet they on that sand rip. Almost forgot, when you done with it, make sure you burn the whip. Say some shit that we don't like and we gon' take it down. He got hit up with the Drakes on the hospital, he ain't make it there. Go check up on this ride, I heard they left that nigga facing it. That nigga died at Papa. Man, I know his homies hated them. Nigga,
Hop in this rider, we gon' teach you how to bip. Blackin' in this Civic, get no fucks about a 10. See us on a block, I bet the ops ain't doing shit. If you ain't put in for this, but I'm sorry, brother, you can't hit.